and welcome back once again to the Blind Pig YouTube channel. As always, I'm your host Jason, here to make a cocktail for you. This time, we're going Tiki. This is our first Tiki cocktail. We're going to do a Mai Tai. This is probably the most standard intro level Tiki cocktail out there, and boy, are they delicious. Let's get on with it. So to start out, I already have a shaker full of ice, and we're going to take a ½ ounce of fresh lime juice. These are smaller limes. That's about ½ ounce. 1½ ounces of white rum. Any white rum works. For this one, I'm going to use something a little different. This is Blue Chair Bay. It's a coconut rum. It's rum actually made with coconut water. Be a little different flavor than if you use Bacardi, but coconut, Mai Tai, Tiki seems to go well together. Let's use that. So again, we're using 1.5 ounces of our white rum. All right. We're going to use a new ingredient for this channel, something I just bought recently, Orgeat. Orgeat is a syrup. You can make your own apparently with almonds. I've never tried making mine with almonds before, so I bought this, but it's kind of an almond, sugary, sweet syrup. We're going to use a ½ ounce of that. Orgeat. It's spelled O-R-G-E-A-T in case you want to look it up, but I had to look it up myself, pronounced Orgeat. I double checked before I started so I wouldn't screw it up. And then we're going to use a ½ ounce of a call for orange curacao. Now in this case we're going to use Grand Marnier. It's almost the same thing. It's the next best thing. You can also use Control if you have that, but this will work just fine. We are going to shake that up. You'll notice I have another, we also need a squirt, apologize for that, of our simple syrup. We need a ½ ounce of that. And give that a shake. Again, there's already ice in here. And we're going to use crushed ice in our glass for this. So I got crushed ice, just using a regular rocks glass here. And we're going to single strain that into our glass. And then this is where the other rum comes into play. Actually, add a little more ice to this. This is a hot weather drink, so it's something you want nice and cold. And we're going to float about 1.5 ounces of dark rum. I'm using Myers dark rum for this. Again, there are many versions. You just kind of got to float that on the top. And a little more for that. So got a nice mixture there. And then we're going to garnish with a lime wheel, a sprig of mint. It's been very hot here lately in the Northeast. My mint's not looking the best, but it still has its flavor there too and its smell. And then a cherry. Of course, I can't get one while we're doing this on camera. There we go. Doesn't always go perfect the first try. There we go. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is your Mai Tai. Cheers. I knew it would be good. It's one of my favorite drinks. It's your intro level Tiki drink. If you want to try Tiki drink, it's the most basic one to get into, and boy is it good. So thanks once again for joining us. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment below. We'll see you again in the future.